our whiteboard. Remember that our goal this week is, it's not there anymore, it's over here. Our goal this week is to use a new strategy to add. So everyone in here has been killing it with the base 10 blocks. You guys have done a great job of solving your problems with the base 10 blocks. I want to challenge you to try to use a different strategy to do it. So maybe use the base 10 blocks, but add another strategy at the bottom. Jacob was making a Lego castle with Excali. Jacob started putting 34 pieces on the castle, and Excali added 24. How many pieces did they use to build their castle? I ask that you go to your seats, use your whiteboards. It needs to be a quiet think time.
This is 46, right?
Grants, I'm really proud of you. I want you to think about, make sure you can explain why that works, okay? 1, 2, 3. You know how it works?
I know how I do mine.
Where we already know, and I don't really care about the right answer, right? But we know that how many answers are correct? 1.
Excuse the interruption. Jamari Williams, report to the office. Jamari, report to the office.
So we already know that some students are going to have to do what? Change their thinking, okay? So if you, so I can tell you right now, the correct answer is 58, okay? Ooh. So if you got a different answer, that means you need to keep your ears open and your eyes open, and you need to see how you can change your thinking, right? Cool? So here we go. Who would like to share their strategy with me? Okay. Rance, you had I think you had more than one strategy. Can you share one with me? Whichever one you want. So you drew a picture? Oh, perfect. Okay. So I've got Rance. I have 3 10s.
Then I add 4 ones.
1, 2, 3, 4 1s.
Then I add 2 tens.
And 4 1s. Is this what yours looked like? Oh, except that little pickup right there. Is this what yours looked like, France? Okay. Then what did you do?
Then I count the tens together. Then I counted the ones and it gave me 58.
Wow. Can someone else tell me what Rance did? Excali, what did Rance do?
He drew a picture of base 10 blocks and then he put them all together.
How did he put them together? He was really specific when he said how he put them together. Do you remember? Did you hear what he said?
Not the last part.
Okay. Who thinks they can tell me what Rance did? He was really specific. He used great vocabulary words. Maddie, you were doing the same, like you did the same thing. So can you tell me what he did?
He put them all together and they made 50 because 5 because 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 4 plus 1.
So he put all of what together? The
10s up.
10. So he put the 10s together. So he did 30 plus 20 and he got 50. Okay? And then what did he do?
And then when he got 50,
He added the ones, which we had 4 plus 4 to give us 8. Okay?
And then he just put them all together to make 58.
Wow. So remember how we were saying that you guys are doing a great job of drawing our pictures? Everyone in here is drawing the pictures. This is how you put the math, the numbers with it. Rance, do you agree that that's what you did? Awesome. Thank you, Aaliyah. Dojo points for you. I see a lot of people. Hey, who has a different way? Different way. I want to see all of our different strategies.
Was mine? Oh, he was so close to mine.
Aiden.
My answer was 50. No.
Aiden, can you say that again? I couldn't hear you, bud.
My answer was 59.
Okay, can you show me how you got it? Because maybe we can look at how we need to change our thinking.
I used the cubes.
Can you tell me more about using the cubes?
First, I added 5 tens.
First you added 5 tens,
And it
okay?
was 50.
Okay, so you added 5 tens. I think I saw on your board, so I'm gonna just go ahead and, I saw you do it like this.
Yeah.
Is this right?
Yeah.
10, 20, 40, 50, and you've got 50, okay? And then how did you get the 9?
And then I looked at all of my ones, and I got to 9. So then I put 1 plus 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 1.
Okay, so then Aiden, why don't we look, and maybe we can have everyone help us, okay? Because this is a really good example where we know we need to change thinking. So maybe we can ask our friends for some help, right? So Aiden's saying he did 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 to get 50. And then he had 1 plus 1 plus 1. To get 9.
Wow.
Who could offer some help and suggestions for how Aiden could maybe do it differently, or where we think he maybe needed to fix something? Aiden, also you get JoJo point for being brave. It's hard to put yourself out there, so thank you. I'm actually going to give everyone a chance to think about it. I see some people already have their hands up. When you have something you can help Aiden with, could you give me a thumbs up at your chest? That way I know everyone's trying to help Aiden. We're trying to help each other learn. Aiden, I'm going to grab the blocks you have too. Aaliyah.
I love the fact that equations and I
So can you tell me what the equation is?
34 plus 24.
All right, I'm going to write this in a different color because I'm getting confused. You are Aaliyah. And you did 34 plus 24?
Yeah.
34 plus 24.
And I took the 3 and the 2 and I add them together and I know that it makes 5.
Okay, so you did 3 plus 2 equals 5.
And then I added 4 plus 4 and that equals 8.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And then what did you do?
And then I took the 2 answers and I put them together and that makes 58.
Okay, so I have one question for you, and I think some people in here can help. But I know when I put 5 and 8 together, I get 13. If I get 5 plus 8, I get 13. Can you tell me how I could fix this to make it so that it's 58? Everyone take a second to, because we've done this before. You're onto something, Lily, or you're not Lily, you're Leanne. You're onto something. I want you to just think about it. Is the 3 really a 3? And is that 2 really a 2? So how could we change that to make it so that if I add the 2 answers together, I get 58 instead of 13?
I added the 10s together and then I added the 1s together.
I like the way you used our vocabulary of 10s and 1s. So if I have 3 10s, what is that really?
30.
30. So I'm going to change what we have here. Okay? Thanks for changing your thinking. I'm going to change this to 30. And then does my 2 really stand for 2?
No. 20.
20. So then if I put 30 and 20 together, what do I get?
32. I mean,
50. So then down here, now I can change this.
It looks like an S.
Yeah, I'm not the best writer on the smartboard. I do my best, Christian. So then I do 50 Well, then you did 50 plus 8 to get 58. Right? Okay. Oh, thank you to those people who I see doing same, agree. Okay. I see a lot of good answers. I see a lot of good work. I'm very impressed because we have come a long way.